In order to schedule a message on Samsung Galaxy A25 5G, then first of all, if you use Messages app made by Samsung, it looks like this. Then all you need to do is open the conversation, press this plus button over here, and then you have the option to schedule message. So you can select it, then choose when you want to send it, and then press done. And of course, you can enter the content of the message that you want to send and just send it to the person. And on the other hand, if you use Google Messages app instead, then what you need to do is once again go to the conversation, and this time what you can do is once again press this plus button as well, but over here we will find the schedule sent option instead of at the first position. So we can press it over here. We can choose one of these options or choose peak date and time. So let's say I'm gonna send it on 13th at 6 a.m. Set. Then we can write the message and then send it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.